Hi everybody! In today's video we're going to be talking about this little drawing machine and the fact that she's 18 months old and all of the crazy stuff that she has been up to recently. Right, do you like to draw?
Yeah.
Do you draw?
Yeah.
Can you say it? Can you say draw? Okay, you don't have to. She has been talking a lot recently and I think she picks up 4 words a day at least.
Easily.
She says all sorts of crazy things. One thing that was pretty funny that she did a couple days ago is she had a bowl of grapes and she brought it to me and she handed it to me and she goes, "Eat it, me." And she wanted me to feed her a grape. And you did. You got your grapes.
She's very big on favorites. So she has a favorite pair of shoes and she'll walk up to us and she'll grab them and she'll say walk, walk.
Yep.
So she'll let us know if she's ready to actually go in them and go for a stroll.
And she has favorite clothes. She likes anything with Minnie Mouse and leopard print or stripes.
She calls leopard print stripes.
Yeah, she likes stripies. Any animal print is stripes. Right. Do you like stripes? No. Maybe you do.
She really enjoys when we write out words that she's learning, and then she can kind of see what they actually look like on paper.
So she'll bring us her notebook and her pencil or pen or whatever writing instrument she stole from a desk, and she'll give it to you and she'll be like, dog. And she'll want me to write dog for her, and then after she watches you do that, then she'll go, meow. And then she'll watch that, and then she'll just keep going down her list of words.
So just to give you an idea, she's had this book for what, 2 weeks? Maybe?
Maybe
Tops?
a week.
Oh, okay, well a week. And there's like 3 or 4 pages that has not been doodled on. So she has been going crazy with this thing. But that's good, right?
And she knows a huge list of animals and their sounds, both on words and on visual. So you can show her a picture of a cow and she'll go moo, or you can say, Melody, what does the cow say?
Moo.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a horse say?
Nee.
What does a cat say?
Moo.
What does a sheep say?
Bah.
How about a snake?
What's a snake say? What does a lion say? Right, good job. What's a pig say?
Eep.
Oink. What's a pig say?
Oh.
Ooh, there you go.
There you
Good
go.
job.
Nice one.
Yeah, so she's been learning animals very well. She likes animals. She also really likes the Disney characters.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, I
Should
know.
we show them who you really like?
Do you like, who's this?
Me.
Minnie. Do you like, who's this one?
Dee.
Oh, this one, Donald.
Dum.
Donald. And her favorite lately, is missing. Oh, there it is. Who's that? Daisy. Yeah. She likes Daisy a lot too. And she's got a bunch of puzzles. She loves puzzles. She loves books. She could sit there and read. Right. I know you could. You could sit and read for hours every single day, couldn't you? You could.
It's the first thing she wants to do in the morning.
Read for hours and draw for hours and puzzle for hours. Yeah.
And by the time we're done with that, guess what? It's time for bed.
So yeah, so that's kind of her 18 months. She's been doing very good. She's learning her colors too. I'd say she has about, oh, did Grandma bring you? What's that? A doodle-doo? Is this a
Melody,
rooster?
what does a rooster say?
Does Grandma have a moo? Oh, Grandma's gonna go get you your moo?
Yeah.
Oh,
Melody,
okay.
what does a rooster say?
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo.
Yeah, you say you have 75% success rate on your color names?
Oh
Yeah.
Hey, how do you say yellow?
no. La.
Can you say blue? Can you say purple? Can you say pink?
Me.
Can you say orange? Can you say green?
You say red.
Bob.
Bob.
Can you say black? I think Grandma's gonna bring you your moo.
Oh, I couldn't find it.
Grandma couldn't she couldn't find it. She's bringing it.
I just saw it.
Okay, look at this. Who's this?
Bob.
Yeah, who's this? I know this one's hard, isn't it? Yeehaw. Yeah, Grandma's gonna go look for your moo. She's got a whole family full of, well,
Weirdos?
butlers. She's got a whole family full of people that pretty much wait on her hand and foot. She's pretty demanding sometimes.
Anybody that has kids, you know they run the house.
Who's this? Yeah. There was one day she kept opening the refrigerator and she'd point and she'd go, grapes! Yeah. And then she'd pretty much insist that she was having a snack of grapes. Grapes are one of her favorites. And blueberries. And raspberries. And, cheese. She's a big fan of cheese. She'll eat cheese.
She had a phase where anything in a tortilla was pretty good.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, she also went through a mac and cheese phase, but that seems to be coming to an end.
And no chicken still. There's an update. Actually, she'll do it in like small pieces and randomly. There's no rhyme or reason to it.
Here, can you sit on Mama's lap and look at your cow? You want to give him a kiss? No? Oh, okay, well, I guess she's saying we're done.
Yep.
So, if we're done, that works. I will close this by saying bye-bye. Melody, can you say bye-bye?
Melody, can you say bye-bye?
She's busy looking at a box. All right, well, that comes to an end. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.